Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give you free tips and updates on how you can earn USDT. So this is the platform where we'll be earning from. You can see we need to complete the task today to earn. So once you click on complete, is loading, you see it is done. So you see all tasks for today has been done and completed, and this is our dashboard. This is my dashboard. This is the earning. I've earned 0.28 USDT for today. Very simple and easy. And for you to earn again in this platform, you need to subscribe to their packages. They have a lot of packages. This platform is called Usdt, so you need to buy their Usdt product. All you just need to do is unlock any package of your choice. So once you unlock, you are free to start earning daily in this platform. Remember, the higher Usdt products you buy, the higher you earn in this platform. So it's very simple and easy, and you'll be having daily output, like daily income that you can withdraw to any wallet of your choice, and you start enjoying your USDT and bagging massive income for yourself. So as you can see that, look at this now, you are earning 66 USDT daily if you subscribe to this Usdt product. You need to recharge for you to be able to unlock the package in this platform. So what you just have to do is click on recharge. Once you click on recharge, it takes to this interface. All you just have to do is click any option of your choice for you to be able to recharge. So quickly I'll be showing how you can withdraw in this platform. All you just have to do is click on withdraw. Once you click on withdrawal, you just input your details. You just how much USDT you want to withdraw and your address, and that's so simple. So you can earn massively in this platform by inviting your friends. And when you invite your friends and they register with your link, so you'll be earning commissions in this platform. So all you just have to do is copy your referral link and make sure they use your code to register. Once they use your code and your referral link to register, you'll be earning commissions. As they are earning, you are also earning from them. So that is how to earn in this platform. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was very helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel, because we'll be dropping amazing deals and amazing platforms on how you can earn in USDT and free USDT, free airports for yourself. And please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.